Hi, and welcome back to our channel. If you're someone who struggles with or is looking for a way to increase flexibility, then this video is going to be for you. We are going to cover 3 simple exercises that will really help to increase flexibility in your hamstrings and calves. What's nice is all of these exercises are performed standing up and are very simple to perform, making them ideal for people of any age. But at the same time, they are extremely effective at building flexibility. And even though some of these may look the same as some of the more common stretches you're probably familiar with, there are some very important points that we will be showing that can help you get the maximum benefits from these stretches while utilizing less range of motion. Most people actually waste a lot of motion and work harder than they need to because they are unaware of some of the small adjustments that we will be showing you that can make a huge difference in getting results. Now let's get started. The first exercise is the kick stretch. It's a dynamic stretching exercise, meaning it incorporates movement and momentum to increase blood flow, raise body temperature, and prepare the muscles for physical activity. This differs from the more common static stretching exercises, which involves holding a stretch position for a prolonged period, typically between 15 to 60 seconds without any movement. To perform the kick stretch, place one hand in front of the body and bring the toes up to make contact with the palm of the hand. Make sure the kicking leg remains straight with the toes pulled back towards the shin and the supporting foot stays flat on the ground. Only kick high enough until you feel slight discomfort, not pain. And don't forget to exhale with every kick. Do around 10 repetitions slowly until your legs get warmed up and gradually increase the speed and height as your muscles become more loose. Aim for at least 30 repetitions on each leg. Keep your upper body straight at all times. If you are unable to bring your foot high enough to touch your hand, then have your shin or knee make contact with your hand. Don't cheat by leaning forward so you can kick your hand with the toes. Also, don't swing your leg backwards prior to kicking to gain momentum, as this can result in overstretching and injury. If need be, you can also hang on to something to maintain balance while doing this exercise. You can vary the angle of your kick by kicking out to a 45 or a 90-degree angle. These will focus more on stretching the inner hamstring muscles. Next is the single leg stretch exercise. Place one leg on an object at a comfortable level. Your knees should be locked and your foot flexed so your toes are pulled back towards your shins and in the center of your body. Make sure the toes of your supporting foot are facing directly forward. Your hips should also be aligned and also facing directly forward. It's important to keep your shoulders back and stick your chest out as you focus on moving your chin towards your toes. You should find that you are only able to move a few inches forward. Gently pulse forward and back just to the point of discomfort. Do about 30 reps on each leg. As you begin to loosen up, you can also try alternating elbows towards your toes. To stretch the calf muscles, use a doorway and place one foot as flat against the wall as possible. Keep the foot in place with your knee locked and slowly bring your hips towards the wall until you reach your limit. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat on the other leg. These exercises can be done daily, but 3 to 4 times per week should be adequate for enhancing flexibility, or they can also be used as warm-up exercises. For more content, please subscribe to our channel. Also, check out this video. Thanks for watching.